Hey everyone, today we're making a quick and delicious dry pepper chicken, perfect for any day you're craving something spicy and flavorful. Start with 500 grams of boneless chicken, and for the marinade, add 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 2 teaspoons pepper, a bit of curd, and salt to taste. Mix it all well and let it marinate for 30 minutes. Now heat some oil in a pan, toss in 1 sliced onion and 2 dry red chilies. Sauté until the onions turn golden. Then add in the marinated chicken and mix everything thoroughly. When the chicken is halfway cooked, add a handful of coriander leaves, a few curry leaves, and a splash of lemon juice. Keep sautéing until the chicken turns crispy and brown. Finally, garnish with some roasted cashews for that perfect crunch. And that's it, a spicy, peppery chicken dish ready in just about 15 minutes. Super easy, super tasty. Give it a try and let me know how it turned out. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and delicious dishes. Thanks for watching, see you next time. Let's make hot and sweet teriyaki chicken wings in under 2 minutes. I have taken wings here. You can also use boneless chicken. Marinate the chicken wings with teriyaki sauce, it's sweet, so I'm adding some chili powder for a spicy kick. Add a little salt, just to taste, and mix it all up. Let it rest for about an hour to soak up all that flavor. Heat some oil in a pan, and add the marinated wings. Save the leftover sauce and the stock, it's gold, don't throw it away. Once the wings are cooked through, remove the stock and cook the wings for 5 more minutes. You'll see them turn beautifully caramelized, just look at that color. In a clean pan, sauté minced garlic and red chili flakes in a little oil. Now add the reserved stock and leftover marinade. Let it boil until it thickens into a rich, sticky glaze. Pour that glossy sauce all over the wings. Finish with roasted sesame seeds, and there you have it. Spicy, sweet teriyaki chicken wings, ready to devour. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious videos.